That's Nico's view on the markets. By the way, another house is saying that the yen is going to gain more and more strength as time goes by. Chief currency trader in Tokyo at BTM, Mitsubishi UFJ, saying 95 against the dollar. Jake, 95 yen against the dollar. I don't think we've seen that since the mid-90s. What does the market think of that prospect?
Well, that's not happening today, Bernie. The yen's going the opposite way. We're seeing stocks up in the US, biggest rally in 2 months there. We're seeing the Asian stock indexes open as we talk, looking like a good day there. And at the moment, that simply means traders are more confident. They're going back into the yen to borrow it, to invest in these higher yielding currencies like Australia, like New Zealand. And that's all bad for the yen, and it's pushing it down today. But, like we've heard from those forecasts you're just saying, on the long term, people are bullish on the yen. They're saying, yeah, these interest rates will go up eventually from this 0.5% that they've been held at yesterday and for a while since. And the yen has to gain when you've got a strengthening economy, albeit very, very slowly.
The U.S. Really hit the stride in the equity markets. I guess that's creating demand for U.S. dollars for a change?
Well, sort of. Investors have been really mixed about the subprime news coming out of the US. But for today, when we've seen Goldman Sachs yesterday say, look, I don't think there's going to be any write-downs, that's given the stocks a push-up, and that's good news for the dollar against the yen, but it might also push the dollar down against some of these emerging market currencies. It might be good news for them because in a time when people are confident, there's just better returns outside of the US. So sometimes we see this weird reverse thing where good news for the US is actually bad for the US dollar, and people want to go elsewhere apart from the US, where interest rates are coming down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and they're getting into the A dollar and Kiwi dollar again.
Look, they've been going up all year, and today they're going up today, and it looks like there's no stopping them. The Australia at a 20-year high, New Zealand at the highest since the float. It's good news for those two.
It's just a matter of time before the A dollar hits par with the US dollar, like the loon did, some are saying, although we're still about a dime away from that. Thanks, Jake. We'll come back. Okay. One last go at the tech market. Stuart O'Gorman joining us from Henderson Investors on why tech. 'Tis the season for tech this holiday season. We're also going to talk about Dell's new strategy and teaming up with retailers.